Hello, my dear friends. Welcome back to the LWS English Podcast. I am your host, and today I want to invite you to take a deep breath. Just breathe in and breathe out. Are you tired of the noise? Are you tired of trying to learn English while your phone is buzzing, the television is on, and your mind is jumping from one worry to another? Many of you tell me, I study, but nothing stays in my head. My friend, the problem is not your intelligence. The problem is distraction. Today, we are going to talk about a revolutionary way to learn, deep work. We are going to learn how to study in peace, how to focus your beautiful, mature mind, and how to make 20 minutes of study worth more than 2 hours of confused effort. But before we start this peaceful journey, please subscribe to our channel, join our community of focused learners, and leave a comment below. What is the biggest distraction in your life today? Is it the phone, the family noise, or your own thoughts? Tell me your name and your age, too. I read every single one of you. Let's begin. Part 1. What exactly is deep work? The term deep work was created by a professor named Cal Newport. In simple English, it means the ability to focus without distraction on a cognitively demanding task. Imagine your brain is like a flashlight. Most of the time, our light is wide and weak. We are looking at English, but also thinking about dinner, looking at a WhatsApp message, and listening to the news. That light is too thin to burn a hole in the darkness of ignorance. Deep work is when you take that light and turn it into a laser beam. A laser is just light, but it is focused. When you focus your mind 100% on one sentence, one sound, or one verb, your brain creates a deep, permanent connection. For us, mature learners, this is our superpower. We don't need to run, we need to focus. Part 2. Why deep work is perfect for the 50-plus brain. There is a myth that younger people learn faster because their brains are fresh. That is not entirely true. Younger people often struggle more with deep work because they are addicted to quick dopamine, social media, fast videos, and constant multitasking. You, my dear student, have an advantage. You lived in a world before the internet. You know what it means to read a book for an hour or to sit in silence. Your brain has the muscle memory for concentration. When you apply deep work to English, you are respecting your brain's pace. You are choosing quality over quantity. Instead of trying to learn 100 words in a noisy environment, you learn 5 words in total peace. Those 5 words will stay with you forever. Part 3. Step 1. Creating your sanctuary of peace. You cannot do deep work in a mess. To think in peace, you need a peaceful place. The physical space. Find a corner of your house. It doesn't need to be an office. It can be your kitchen table early in the morning or a chair in the garden. Tell your family, this is my English time. Please give me 20 minutes of silence. The digital space, this is the hardest part. Turn off your phone. Not silent mode. Turn it off or put it in another room. The mere presence of a phone reduces your cognitive capacity. The ritual. Have a cup of tea or coffee, put on your glasses, open your notebook. This tells your brain, attention, the deep work session is starting now. Is this making sense to you? Are you ready to try a deep work session today? If you like this calm and direct way of learning, please give this video a like. It helps our podcast reach other people who are tired of the fast and loud English methods. Remember, your progress is my biggest happiness. Part 4. Step 2. The 20-minute laser technique. Deep work does not mean studying for 5 hours. In fact, most people can only do true deep work for a short time. For a beginner, A1 to A2, I recommend starting with just 20 minutes. During these 20 minutes, you do only one thing. If you are listening to this podcast, just listen. Don't wash the dishes, don't walk the dog. Sit, listen to my voice, look at the words. When your mind tries to wander to your to-do list, gently bring it back. Say to yourself, now I am in English mode. This intense focus triggers a process in your brain called myelinization. It's like putting insulation around the wires in your brain. It makes the signals travel faster. That is how you learn faster, not by doing more, but by doing it more deeply. Part 5. Active Engagement, the LWS way. Deep work is not passive. You are not just letting the English wash over you. You are interacting with it. In your 20-minute session, listen, focus on the melody of the words. Write, copy one golden sentence that touched your heart. Speak, repeat the sentence out loud, feeling the vibration in your throat. Because you are in a state of deep work, your brain is open. It's like wet cement. Whatever you write or say during this time will dry and stay in your long-term memory. This is learning in peace. No stress, no pressure, just deep connection. Part 6. Overcoming the boredom barrier. In the beginning, deep work feels strange. Your brain might feel bored after 5 minutes. Why? Because we are used to constant stimulation. When you feel bored, don't stop. That boredom is actually the moment your brain is starting to work hard. It's like the first 5 minutes of a walk when your legs feel heavy. Keep going. After 10 minutes, you will enter a state of flow. Flow is when time disappears and you feel a deep joy in learning. This is where the magic happens. Part 7. Encouragement for the wise learner. I want to talk to you who are 60, 70, or maybe 80 years old. You might think, is it worth it to focus so much? Yes, it is. Deep work is not just about English. It is a therapy for the mind. It keeps your neurons firing. It improves your memory for everything in your life. When you sit in peace to learn English, you are honoring your history. You are saying, I am still growing. I am still a student of life. Do not let the fast world make you feel slow. You are not slow, you are deliberate. You are like a fine wine. You need time and the right atmosphere to show your best. Part 8. Summary of the Deep Work Method. Let's recap our plan for your next study session. Preparation. Choose your time and place. Remove all distractions, especially the phone. Intent. Choose one small thing to learn. Immersion. Spend 20 minutes in total silence and focus. Use the LWS way. Listen, write, and speak. Rest. When the 20 minutes are over, stop. Close your notebook. Let your brain process the information in peace. If you do this 3 or 4 times a week, your English will transform. You will stop forgetting because the information was planted deeply in the soil of your mind. Thank you for joining me in this calm and powerful episode of the LWS English Podcast. I hope you feel inspired to find your sanctuary of peace today. Remember, you don't need to be fast, you just need to be present. Your journey in English is a beautiful walk, not a race. Before we finish, subscribe if you haven't yet. We have many more peaceful lessons coming for you. Like this video to help our message of slow and deep learning reach the world. Comment below. Tell me, what time of the day is your peaceful time? Is it the morning, the evening? I want to know. I am very proud of you. Keep focusing, keep breathing, and keep speaking. I will see you in the next episode. Listen, write, and speak. This is the LWS way. Bye-bye.